Hi friends, welcome to Groovy Mathematics. Groovy Mathematics. From this name, what we can infer? Yeah, we can infer that we are going to see something about the mathematics. And groovy implies that it's something fun. And what is the mathematics? Mathematics is the main subject where without which we cannot achieve anything. Without which there won't be any science. So it's known as the queen of all subjects. And you all know, mathematics is the part and parcel of our life. In each and every step of our life, we find mathematics. It's directly or indirectly, it influences our life. Such a very interesting mathematics. Can we make it much more interesting and much more fun using the Vedic mathematics? Yes, Vedic mathematics. What is meant by Vedic mathematics? Is the same thing related to some conventional school mathematics? Maybe your question. But no is the answer. Vedic mathematics is a much easy and simpler methodology to solve the mathematical problems than the conventional methodology. We can solve these problems mentally using the Vedic mathematics methodologies. I'd like to share something about my childhood, which I have come across. In my childhood, I used to go for shopping with my mom. My mom used to go for a grocery shop with a list of grocery items. She used to give the grocery list to a person present in the shop. That person will be just reading out the list, and the list may be consisting of the fractional quantities also. And another person will be calculating the amount of even the fractional amount. He will be calculating it. He will be just writing the fractional amount. He will write just only the amount. He won't go for the calculators or any other gadgets, and he will just write the answer. And at last, what he will do? My mom's list may contain around 50 products, and the man who was calculating, I was completely surprised to see those things. He used to calculate all the 50, sum up all the 50 items, the amount of the 50 items mentally without any gadgets. He used to calculate it and he used to provide the answer accurately. You know, I was completely surprised to see such things. I have not experienced with mental calculation by that time. But now I'm really happy to say that I too can do that. But nowadays, is many students or many people even willing to try to solve the mathematics mentally? The answer is a big question mark. But using the Vedic maths, we can solve the problems mentally, and it's the mental tool for our calculation. If we are able to solve the problems mentally and quickly, then how the mathematics would be? The mathematics would be the enjoyable and fun, wonderful subject, isn't it? Yes, we are going to make the mathematics the queen of all sciences and enjoyable subject. Okay, I'm, and again and again I was telling about Vedic maths. From where? Who has discovered this Vedic mathematics and who has given this world this Vedic mathematics would be a question for all of you all. Yes, Vedic mathematics was rediscovered by Bharati Krishna Tritaji Maharaj. He is the Sankaracharya of Govardhana Puri, which is in Orissa. And he has rediscovered Vedic mathematics from between 1911 to 1918. And from where does he rediscover this Vedic mathematics? Swamiji claims that he has rediscovered Vedic mathematics from the Atharvana Veda, which is one of the four Vedas. He just claims that he has rediscovered it. He doesn't mean that he has discovered it. He claims that he has given us. He has taken it and again he has given us. That is the claim of the Swamiji. And let's come to the mathematics. If we have a thought of mathematics, the second thought would be the formulas, isn't it? Yes, the same way in Vedic mathematics too, we have some formulas. These formulas are known as the sutras. Yes, I can get you. You may be thinking, in mathematics also we are having formulas and again here too sutras and the name just changes. Again, do we have to go for some formulas and do we have to learn something again? Yeah, then what's the difference between these two formulas? Would be a big question of you all. Yes, I'll explain it. Mathematical formulas are some expressions. It would be in some kind of expression. Whereas the sutras is a one-line word formula. The word formula help us to solve the problems quickly. What's meant by one-line word formula? It is just an explanation of the procedure. It will give just an explanation and it would be a very simpler thing. I'll give some examples over here. Ekadikena Purvena is a sutra. And the meaning of the sutra is by one more than one before. It is a sutra. Nikilam Navataha Charamam Dashataha is a sutra. And the meaning is all from 9 and last from 10. So sutras like by one more than one before and all from 9 and last from 10 won't be harder for us to remember. And you know, there are just only 16 sutras and 13 subsutras. We need not go for much and much higher number of formulas over here as we do for our conventional maths. Okay, yeah, telling only such a small number of sutras, and you all may be thinking, am I going to explain only the basics of arithmetic? No, I'm going to explain the basic main three parts of the mathematics. Main three parts, that is the arithmetic, geometry and the algebra. In arithmetic, we will be going for addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, square root, cube roots, higher powers, so recurring decimals, auxiliary fractions, etc. Whereas in geometry, we'll be covering trigonometry, area of tangent, secant, then parabola, hyperbola, asymptotes and many things. In case of algebra, we'll be going for algebraic addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, square, cube, simultaneous equations, simple equations, quadratic equations, many more. Yes. Do you all like to enjoy and learn this Vedic mathematics? Yes. We can have a fun with the Vedic maths. For that, please subscribe my channel and share your comments. And thank you very much.